Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to factory reset your Apple Watch for sale. Unless you just emerged from a cave or a doomsday bunker, you probably know everyone expects Apple to announce new products releases next week, most likely including the Apple Watch 7. If you are considering selling, trading, giving away or returning your Apple Watch for that or any reason, I will show you how to factory reset it fast. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, let's talk about why you should factory reset your Apple Watch. A factory reset is a good idea because it gets rid of all of your data from the smartwatch. That means nobody else can access it, and the reset lets the watch new owner start from scratch without having to get around your password or anything like that. And you have little reason to worry about losing the data on the watch you are setting free. Most of your Apple Watch data, aside from things like credit card numbers, is automatically backed up on your paired iPhone and your iCloud account. And when you set up your next Apple Watch, your iPhone will ask you if you want to restore settings and info back up from the old watch. It's worth noting that factory resetting your Apple Watch is a pretty simple process. No matter how you plan to unload the thing, you can do it from the Apple Watch itself or from your paired iPhone. First off, I'm going to show how to get it done from the Apple Watch itself. To get it done, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch and then select General. After that, tap Reset. Then tap Erase All Content and Settings. Finally, tap on Erase All to confirm the action. Next up, I'm going to show how to factory reset your Apple Watch using your paired iPhone. To get it done, simply open the Watch app on your paired iPhone and then tap General. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset. And finally, you have to tap on Erase All Content and Settings and then confirm the action. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can factory reset your Apple Watch for sale, or for that matter, start it from the scratch. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.